All right, good morning, everyone. Louis Porcelino, May 8th, and this is Friday morning ES morning call. And I thought we might get a little bit of a slow market today, but I guess that non-farm payroll was in line. But when you take a look at the numbers, they're saying that the payroll uh, dollars are increasing, so people are making more money finally, which is going to lead to rapid inflation, and the world will be saved. Okay. Anyway, this is the daily chart, and we took out this little trend line yesterday, and I had this or the day before, and then yesterday, we were in the oversold. When I show you when I show you actually on the day level, you see how we hit the tail hit the bottom part of the Keltner channel, and then that was it. When we couldn't take out our Globex low from yesterday, then that market just kept going, and it was up day. We had a little rally in the morning, and it sold off, and then after that sell off, it was all over with. And I had thought yesterday that we could sell rallies until we couldn't take out that low, and we kind of started calling it all day. Now we're on a 4 hour basis. Here we are on that Keltner channel. We were talking about the Keltner channel and the 4 hour. I like to look at the 4 hour chart. Oversold, 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 and then boom, it just turned around. That was it, and we got through the middle. We talked about this middle. I give you this about at 9:30 every day. So stay on Twitter and stay with us. We're up 1,800. Okay, and based on that non-farm payroll number, so it's going to give us a little bit difficult trade this morning because look at all these single prints we have put in here now. The market just keeps going up and up and up and up, right? Um, I'd be looking for the market here. Look at it. All right. So let's look at this. We got these single prints up to 2109 quarter. Looks like that's where they were trying to go. 2109 quarter. Um, I think yesterday's we took these out yesterday or this morning because we had these from the day before. So the market is once again very resilient, but all this single print is going to make it for a very difficult trade this morning because we're all going to be looking for that pullback, right? So, uh, I see the market topping here for a while and trading on both sides because we have to get some sort of consolidation on the way up. Um, we're trading way above value. We've got the bull bear zone. Here, let me go here. Move this to a 30-minute chart, give us a better idea of what our structure looks like. Okay, so we're right here. All right. We got the bull bears zone up here at 2091. Okay. And value area high is 2085 half. So the market took off on the number and it's past R2 already. So it's going to be an interesting morning. I would. I think we're going to get some two-sided trade, and today could be one of those days that trends up. But when you get markets like this, you got to be on both sides of the market. You got to look for good places for the pullback. All the sisters are screaming up. We've got Nasdaq up 40. We got the Dow up 151. Russell's up 9. We're up 1,700 points this morning already. So uh, I guess everybody has perceived that's a bullish indication with inflation creeping into the market. All right. Everything else is also going crazy this morning. Crazy. Uh, where will I start? Let me start with gold. Look at. Sorry, a little confusion here this morning. Here's my gold chart. Look at gold. It has had a wild ride this morning. It was up as much as $10. Went down here, went lower on the morning, and this all happened in the last half hour. I mean, now it's trading back above here. It's up about $6, and it's on the rise. We have the bull bear zone at 1182.70. Uh, you know, your guess is as good as mine as why these numbers came out would be bullish for gold. So it's just a crazy, crazy market this morning. Let's bring the bonds in here. The bonds have been on a 2.5 week slide, 3 week slide. Their market, the bonds took off this morning. They're trading above value. We have our bull bear zone at 156.19 in here, right near the point of control, and the bonds are up at the 156. But when you take the low of the bonds from the high, the bonds are down a full basis point in the last 2 weeks. We were up at 163. We made a low of 153. So there's where the bonds are at. You know, anticipating there will be some sort of rate adjustment up to the upside, that rates will go higher. Oil, $4 break from yesterday's high of 62.53, went down to 58, trading inside value, and the top of value is 60.52 and 58.90, and then we got our bull bear zone right in here too at 58.84. So keep an eye on oil. I think that was a combination of getting good retracement and longs covering yesterday. So right now we're at 2103. Remember 2091, which is 1,000 points lower, was our bull bear zone, and the non-farm payrolls with inflation and creeping into the market has turned the market very bullish, and we've now on the 4 hour basis, are we going to be in the? I'm sorry. Here's the 4 hour chart. We're above the Keltner channel. So I think we're going to get a two-sided trade because we got that big long tail now, and we're going to have to be aware of that. All right, everybody have a good morning and good luck. Stay with us on Twitter and watch us on Top Step. Talk to you later. Bye.